what you wanna do.
We are coming live today. No, it's not live. You'll be seeing a recording, but very special day. Back at Just Cooking. Interview with the chef, Miss Monica. We're gonna try some food. It's gonna be a good day. It's Sunday dinner, guys. Best Sunday dinner in Cincinnati.
They push, and after we push, I leave her, cause I don't love her. And me neither. A, B, C, D, P, G, C. Who could it be? It's the Deagle Double G. Known for the bone and the chrome on the D's. Gold credit card, backyard full of green trees. Breeze through the summer in a Hummer with 10. Or dip in the Lolo, but that's just for promo. Never leave me alone without the dodo. I'm so cold, but y'all didn't know that.
What you wanna do? Say you wanna get down. What you wanna do? Say you wanna get down. What you wanna do? Say you wanna get down. What you wanna do? Say you wanna get down.
Bang, bang. Listen, we are live. You will see this as a recording. Very, very special day.
I always focus on this camera, don't pay me no attention.
Sunday dinner. You want to look at that camera right there? I have the world famous best chef I ever tasted, Miss Monica, Just Cooking. Miss Monica has put out an array of foods for us to try. What do you have on your plate?
On my plate there is dressing, oxtails, mashed potatoes, whiting, succotash, mac and cheese, yellow rice, greens, cabbage, and rib tips.
Dressing, beans, greens, tomatoes, listen. We basically got the whole menu
You
right
name
here.
it.
You name it, we got the whole menu. Soul food
We don't have the whole
Sunday.
menu, but let me tell you what Damon got. On Damon's menu, on his food, he has cabbage, succotash, dressing, rib tips, Cornish hen, oxtails, which he said this is his first time eating oxtails. We got to get his response. We have meatloaf. I got him meatloaf because I know he loves meatloaf.
Love it.
Whiting, mac and cheese, and greens. Anything on the other side? Oh, turkey tips with the jerk sauce.
Cornbread. I'm gonna show you what to do with the cornbread a little later. But first, boom, let's get right into it.
The oxtails.
First
He
time
never
I ever
had
tasted an
oxtails.
oxtail.
First time. I'm gonna eat my oxtails with you. And oxtails is a delectable piece of meat. It's silky. It's delicious. Almost on the line of eating a good juicy prime rib.
This is beef.
Let's be.
Oh my!
That's good fatty juicy beef.
Eat the fat. Hey, eat the fat and everything. Eat it all. So I never ate an oxtail. You know how you be scared to try something you never tried before? Oh man.
That's good eating oxtail.
Oh man. It's melting.
In your mouth.
It's just melting. Oh man. I came by yesterday and got a summer croquette meal. I took some to my mom. My mom told me to tell you that you have the best macaroni and cheese she's ever tasted. Every time she ever tastes it.
Really?
She said your consistency is amazing.
Did she say that?
Yes. She told me to give you that compliment.
Tell her I said I appreciate that. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. Keeping the soul food tradition alive. Hard work.
What are some of your favorite foods besides soul food?
My favorite foods that I eat, hot mess,
Hot nets.
chili cheese, cheese coneys. Besides soul food, maybe steak.
Steak.
I
Okay.
eat a lot of steak. I eat a lot of fish. I eat a lot of vegetables.
But do you make them like soul food, or you make them like other ways? You eat Chinese food? Do you eat Chinese food?
I haven't eaten Chinese food in probably about 7 years.
Wow.
And there's a story behind that. But I won't go into it, but I think the way that they cook is amazing. I like their style of food. But Robert Creer made some for my birthday, and I will eat Chinese food if it's done soul food style. If it's one of us cooking it.
Soul food, Chinese food coming soon. What is this? Is this a beef pork tip?
Pork tip.
Pork tip. What kind of sauce is this?
Regular.
Regular sauce.
And then the other sauce is turkey tip, and it's jerk sauce.
You You got a grill master out there? I seen my brother out there busting it down.
Yep, grill master.
Grill going down all day long. Summertime and the living is easy. Rib tips. Sauce is amazing.
That's our homemade sauce. Now, I'm gonna
Pro tip when you come to Miss Monica. If you order anything fried and there's a long line, make sure you tell somebody you ordering something fried so they can get it started cooking before you get there. Fried food take a couple minutes, everything made to cook fresh. So you shout out, I need 2 pork chops. And man, drop them before you get there and just keep your wait time low.
so do say pork chops, fried chicken, fried fish.
Yep.
Just like you at home, we our family. Just shout it out, we gonna get you done. We got a new fry guy in the back, working on that fry. Did you get a picture of him? That's great.
Got my brother Dex behind the camera today. I'm gonna make sure he get a taste of some food too, I
Oh
promise.
yeah, we gotta get that.
We're not gonna starve Dex out. Now, do you still do Sunday all you can eat?
Every Sunday.
So another pro tip. On Sunday, she does an all-you-can-eat platter for $25.
Yeah, and then it looks something like that.
It'll look just like this, but the pro tip is this. Order the platter. Fill your platter with meats and order your sides on the side. You'll eat today and for the next 3 days on her $25 platter.
What?
You'll be, what? I'm taking
Wow.
food for lunch, feeding the kids. We eat forever on that $25 platter. So come get that before she take it away, because I just told all the secrets.
That gives you the ability to sample everything on the menu. So if you like gaming and you never had oxtails before,
You can
then
throw
you
one
get
in
to
there.
sample oxtails. Yep.
Fried fish. What kind of fish is this?
White.
Whiting.
We do the whiting traditionally, the old Southern way. That's a cornmeal base. We don't use batter. We do it the old traditional way, just like our ancestors did with a cornmeal base. That's the best way. You know, you can do fish anyway, but I prefer it the way they did it, the old school way.
Amen.
Cornmeal.
You want a piece of this fish there? Can you fish in tight? Right. Don't take those.
I'm sorry.
Some do.
Take the whole thing. It's gotta go live.
This smell amazing. Take my mask off, I can smell it now.
I wish y'all could smell what this smell like, but you can feel it. If you had soul food, this is top notch, top level. For some reason, we like to think that that soul food is dying. It ain't dying over here. It ain't dying with Miss Monica. It's not dying with her family. So just come get you a platter, baby.
Soul food is a staple in our community, and we gotta keep the tradition going. Because if you lose the way that your family eats, that's your culture. And we've already took a loss to losing so many traditions in our community, but we cannot risk losing soul food, because that is the way that we continue to keep and thrive as a community through our culture, soul food. So I hope to see more soul food continue to come to Cincinnati.
Yeah.
You know, you go to Atlanta, you got a soul food restaurant on every corner just about. Yeah, let's get it.
I just tried turkey tips in jerk sauce. In jerk sauce. Way too good.
We jerking.
Oh man.
We jerking.
Jerk. Greens.
Every Sunday we have dressing on the menu. We ain't
Is that
waiting
what
to
it is?
dressing. Yes, we're
So-
not waiting to Thanksgiving no
Oh,
more.
wait. I was just about to say that. The only time I ever ate dressing was on Thanksgiving. It got to be a special occasion to get some dressing
Oh,
anytime
baby,
other
no.
Thanksgiving.
Every Sunday we got it on the menu. Every Sunday dressing.
I've never come to Just Cooking and not got the macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna be me forever. You get 2 sides with the meals. I never come to Just Cooking and not got the macaroni and cheese. And now I think you get
One side.
You get 1 side with the meal. I always add another one, so I feel like I get 2 sides with my meals. But you also get rice. So if you get chicken, you can put rice up under it. Soul food is a lot of food. Soul food, it fills you up. And it keeps you going, it fuels you up. And Miss Monica's Just Cooking embodies all of that in every aspect of what they do. I'm so happy that you have me here today.
I'm happy you guys supporting us like you amazing. Just to gravitate to the food, support, and 2022, you need to be building something together.
2022.
Breaking down walls and barriers.
Big, great things coming.
Making sure that soul food is a staple in Cincinnati community. And when you look back, you gotta put Miss Monica's name on that.
Amen to that.
Got to.
Tell us, give them the address. New location right now, Cincinnati. Give us the full address if you can.
We are located at 1142 California Avenue in Bond Hill, Cincinnati. 1142 California Avenue, Bond Hill, Cincinnati.
1142 California Avenue, Bond Hill, right off the Norwood Lateral Paddock exit. Make a left. And when you get here, you'll see the line of people. Get in that line. Get you a plate. Come check it out. Support Miss Monica. Support real food. Listen, we're going to sit here and eat, chop it up. I love y'all. Just like, subscribe, do all of those things. We'll keep bringing you more content. We're going to keep bringing Miss Monica back. Peace.
Peace out.